Hey Lock family, so I get a lot of questions about when did I first decide to wash my locks and how did I wash my locks for the first time, and I was able to find a few clips to show the process of me washing my locks for the first time at about 5 weeks post installing. So I'm just going to show you everything that I did. So as you can see, I put my locks into smaller sections and braided them together. And if you've noticed that I'm continuously putting my fingers through the base of the braid to make sure that I'm leaving enough space to actually get in there and wash my locks, because if you braid too close to the root, you won't really have space to move around and really get in there and wash those locks like you really want to. So once I get to the bottom, this is where the banding comes in. I use 2 rubber bands because that's all I had at the time, and you want to make sure that whatever you're using is really going to be helpful in securing your lock. So here you see me just folding that end up and then securing the braid with the rubber bands. So you can wrap the rubber bands around as much as you want, and also if you prefer to put oil or just a little lubricant on your rubber bands before, you can definitely do that to prevent breakage. So to wash my locks, I will be using Suave Daily Clarifying Shampoo. I'm just going to put equal parts of water and the shampoo in a spray bottle. And as you see, I'm just applying it to the base of my locks. And I really wanted to get in and make sure that I'm getting a lather. So I made sure to saturate each braid with the solution. So you want to make sure you're taking your time and focusing on really cleansing your scalp, really getting in there between those braids, between those locks, and doing that extra care to make sure that your locks are squeaky clean. As I mentioned in the beginning, I did wait until about 5 weeks to do my first wash. No rhythm or rhyme to that, just because that's when I felt like actually doing my wash. My scalp was very itchy prior to this wash, so I definitely was in need of a wash. I did a lot of research prior to my first wash, and a lot of people recommended to braid and band your starters simply to prevent slippage as much as possible. So that's why I chose to braid and band. It didn't take long at all. It was just an extra step that I felt was essential to the integrity of my starter locks. So once I felt that my locks and my scalp were as clean as I needed them to be, I just got in the shower and made sure to rinse all of the product, all of the shampoo out. So I did stay and just let the water run through my hair for a little bit, just because I wanted to avoid product buildup as much as possible. And when I got out the shower, I did not immediately take the braids down. I left them in for probably about a day just to make sure that my hair was completely dry, and I took them down that next day. Doing it this way just also helped with slippage and unraveling as well. So I did do my first wash right before I began my first retie on my locks. So this right here is just results of that first retie, and as you can see, my locks did shrink a lot, but I was fine with that simply because I knew that just came with the journey. I hope this video helped to answer a lot of the questions that you had about my first wash with my starter locks. If you do have any other questions, feel free to leave them down below, and I can definitely help you as best as I can. Thank you guys for watching this video, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.